Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a travel planner in a Notion. Now, once you're inside Notion, all you have to do really is create a new page. So on the upper left hand side, just simply click create a new page as you see that I did there. And all you have to do if you want to keep this simple is click on templates on the bottom here. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is use a search on the upper right hand side and simple type in travel planner. Once you type that in, you will be able to search for travel planner in Notion. So hit enter there and you will find a ton of different travel planners that you can use. Some of them are paid, some of them are free, but once you find something that you like, you can easily go ahead and start using it. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose a simple one here. For example, this one here. I'm going to click on this travel planner here. As you can see, you can even go ahead and click the preview to actually preview it. But if you like it, you can simply go ahead and click and add, and you'll be able to add this travel planner right into Notion. So this is something already custom made, so you just need to go ahead and start using it. As you can see, it's ready. Once it is done, you can say see template. On the left hand side, you will find you can click on it as well, and it's going to take you over to your travel planner. Keep in mind that any design or template that you add into your Notion from Notion templates, it is fully customizable. You can change everything that you need in this, and you can use it and make it your own. So it's just a template added into Notion where you can change this fully to whatever you want. And this is it, guys. This is a full travel planner that you have in Notion. Every section of it work. Booking section is working. Every single part of it actually works, and you can start using this travel planner to your liking. Very easy and very simple. Hope you found this useful, and if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.